Come on.
This case is about a negotiation involving three stakeholders, two buyers and a seller. The seller role is played by Mr. Chirag, who owns an ostrich farm. His farm has a production of 1000 ostrich eggs per month. Recently, he has increased the price by 100%. The first buyer is being played by Mr. Farhan, who is a purchasing agent of a large wholesale catering business which sells egg cakes prepared with ostrich eggs. And he's very keen to get near about 650 eggs per month for his daily procurement. Second buyer is being played by Mr. Wasi, who works as a medical laboratory. His company has recently introduced a new product on the medical market, in which a very strong component is required by the ostrich egg. His requirement is 800 eggs. The first scene is a negotiation between the two buyers. The second scene subsequently is a negotiation between the buyers and the seller to eliminate the monopoly of the supply.
So, we are continuing with the scene 1. Mr. Wasi has a 2 p.m. appointment with Mr. Chirag. He is waiting in the cafeteria downstairs. Mr. Farhan, he has to take an early flight to reach there. He is also waiting in the same cafeteria. So, he meets with Mr. Wasi and they talk about the deal.
May I join you?
Yeah, sure. Sir, may I take your order?
Yeah, I would like to have a cup of tea.
Anything else, sir?
That will be all.
And what about my order? It's coming, sir.
Alright. Okay. Yeah, hello Raj. Yeah, I have come to the ostrich farm out here to meet the supplier. Yeah. Yeah. About our demand, right? Yeah, we'll be looking forward for that. And as soon as I have the meeting with him, I'll get back to you and I'll give you a brief. Yeah. Okay. Ciao.
Excuse me. If you don't mind, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
So, what was that deal you were talking about?
Actually, we, as you know that there's an ostrich farm out here, and I have come here to get some ostrich eggs.
Okay, so as a matter of fact, I've also come here for the same thing, to meet the supply for the ostrich eggs.
Oh, so you are also a potential buyer. Okay.
So what's your end of story?
Well, I'm representing a medical firm.
Okay.
And recently we have a breakthrough while making a medicine. So in that medicine, there is a big component required, which is derived from ostrich eggs. So that's why we have come here to crack the deal.
Alright, so we are a bakery, we make egg cakes from ostrich eggs.
Okay.
So what have you heard about the buyer?
Well, we have researched because since our factory is very near about, and we have researched that since he is the only supplier,
Okay.
and he has a production constraint. So he is producing near about 1000 ostrich eggs per month. So we are looking forward to have a deal with him.
Okay, so I have heard that he has a kind of monopoly over the market, so I was suggesting that if we go together, we can work out a deal to our mutual benefits. So
Even I was also thinking something because I have heard that he has increased the price to about 100%.
yeah,
So it will be beneficial for both of
so
us.
he might not be able to play us against each other as an as alternative. So what's your demand?
So that sounds good.
Roughly.
Well, since we are in a huge production line and we are going for a full capacity, so we'll be requiring near about 850
Okay, so
eggs per month.
well, our demand is around 650 per month.
Okay, so
That is clashing, right?
Yeah. So see, if we go one-on-one and if we go for a bid, since we have we are a big firm and we can outgo you as well.
Yeah.
So if you can come to a conclusion that if we can forgive some eggs.
So what about an even split of 500 and 500? Can you do that?
See, we have a minimum requirement of near about 700. Beyond that, we cannot go any further.
But if I'll be giving up any part of that 500 as a fair negotiation, then I will expect some benefit. So if say I'm ready to go down to the number of 300, will you give us some benefits in lieu of that?
Well, we might work it out. Okay, since that's a fair deal, rather than going to clash bidding, where we eventually pay the supplier. So what we can do is that we can offer you the number of eggs which you are giving us per egg 0.10 cents.
0.10.
Yeah.
I was thinking along more to the lines of 0.5.
0.5 would be two views.
So what's your?
Let's not go beyond the bush and let's have a deal out here, right? We might our last offer would be to use like 0.25. 0.25 where you give near about 200x to us and we split the 1000x between 300 and 7.
Alright.
So let's come to a deal
Alright.
and we might meet the supplier regarding the same.
Sure. So at what time you have to meet him?
I have an appointment of 2 p.m.
Okay. So I had a later appointment, but we can call him up and we can go together.
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
That would be sound great.
Alright.
So as you can see, buyer one, that is Farhan, has a demand of 650x and he has a reservation price of rupees 10 and he has a minimum, he has to buy minimum of 200x, and that the buyer B, that is Mr. Irfan, has a requirement of 850 and he has minimum has to buy 700 and his reservation price is 11. The target of Mr. Farhan, that is the first buyer, is 8 and the target of Mr. Irfan, that is second buyer, is 9. So after all these, they have come to the pact that Mr. Farhan will give 200x of his part to Mr. Irfan. So now Mr. Irfan will be having 700x and Mr. Farhan will be holding 300x. So in the compensation, what Mr. Irfan will do is that he will give 0.25 per egg of the eggs that he has given to Mr. Farhan. That Mr. Farhan has given extra to Mr. Irfan. So 0.25 into 200x, so that comes to 50 rupees. Hello Mr. Wasi.
Hello,
Mr. Farhan.
Hello.
So what a coincidence. How you guys meet up?
Yeah, we met in the cafeteria downstairs.
Okay.
So I caught an early plane here, so I met him downstairs. We thought we should come together.
Oh, that's good now.
Okay.
So we can have a deal now.
Alright.
So what I have is the same as last year, 1000x per month. So what are you offering?
Well, we have heard a lot about your farm, that your machines are not upgraded and everything, and recently you had a regulation problem with the Ministry of Farm. So regarding about that, we think that
we are a little concerned about the quality.
No, I assure you that my quality is as good as last year. There were certain regulatory problems, so I have installed new equipment in order to solve that. So that's why our cost has increased from $6 to $12.
But has the machines been upgraded?
Sure.
the
I rest
national
assure you of the
standards.
quality problems.
Okay.
Quality has been up to date.
Alright, so we are here to take the whole bunch of your month's production off
Okay.
your hands. So what we are suggesting is you will buy together as a team your
Okay,
1000
no
eggs, and we are offering on the table the price of $8 per piece.
$8 is too low.
please understand that we have our own constraints.
Okay.
Right, and together we have come here, to that already we have negotiated on that.
Okay.
Right. So please understand our constraints as well.
So
what would be your offer?
So
on that?
what I can offer is $11, since I also have many financial problems. So I can offer you $11.
So the thing is, we had a huge demand,
Okay.
but we heard that you are the quality egg supplier here. So we have cut down on our demands to the level that you are producing every month.
Okay.
So we are making compromise there also.
And at the same time, your whole consumption will be consumed by both
Yeah,
of us.
you
So
won't
there is
be-
no hassle for any other person to come to you.
Yeah, that
you
I
will not be
understand.
going to any other buyers.
Okay.
Then. So what we can offer on the table here is a counter of $9 per piece of egg.
$9
$9
is
rupees.
too low, I think. 11 is my offer. $9.
So you cannot go
No,
beyond
it's
11.
difficult.
So in that case,
But Mr. Wasi, if you remember the thing that we discussed earlier, that we can offer you the transportation cost of the shipment
Okay.
along with the price $9. So what's your take on that?
$9 with transportation
Yeah.
will be borne by you guys.
Against your $11 offer, if you have something more promising.
See, $9 is too low with
Okay.
transportation also. What
Okay.
can I offer you guys is that $10 that you should pay me for
Alright.
per egg.
Alright.
and transportation will be borne by you guys. So what's it?
So your offer is $10 per egg,
Yeah.
plus the transportation cost.
Will be borne by you guys.
That will be borne by us.
Yeah.
So what do you say?
From my side, that sounds fair. And
Reasonable.
enough.
Okay.
And we
So,
think
yeah, we can make a deal over
we
there.
can make a deal over there.
Okay, fine.
All right.
So
So
that's it.
we'll call you up when we get back to the office, and
Fine,
we'll
fine.
tell you about the details of the.
Sure. Anytime. So
Alright.
nice working
Thanks.
with you, Mr. Farhan.
Same here.
Mr.
It's a
Irfan.
deal.
Yeah.
It's a deal.
It was a pleasure.
Sure. Same here.